Friday, January 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. A couple of the web cameras across the region. Avalon Pier webcam on the left, Beach Mountain Parkway cam from resortcams.com on the right there. So again, Avalon Pier on the left, Beach Mountain on the right. 48 degrees there at Kill Devil Hills, 32 atop Beach Mountain. Everybody significantly warmer this morning than what we had to start the new year yesterday morning. A lot of temperatures 10 to 20 degrees above what we had yesterday. That means instead of a lot of 20s, it's a lot of 40s with some 30s mixed in, even 50 in Myrtle Beach and Charleston. So much milder this morning. And our next storm system continuing to organize, and I'd encourage you to stick around to the end of the video. A lot to talk about here in today's edition of the video. Low pressure along the Texas coast, slowly organizing, upper level energy beginning to dive down into and through Texas, getting that area of low pressure going. Out ahead of it, a lot of cloud cover spilling into the Carolinas, and we've seen some radar returns scoot across South Carolina. A lot of that really didn't make it to the ground. But the atmosphere will continue to slowly moisten up today. So you have some light rain back into parts of North Georgia and North Alabama, steadier rains in Mississippi, into Arkansas, even a little bit of wintry precip mixed in there in the northern parts of Arkansas, and still a little bit of wintry precip in Texas this morning with that upper level energy. So again, across the Carolinas today, a lot of cloud cover, and as the day wears on, the chance increasing with a little bit of light rain at times, and then certainly the chance of some rain increasing tonight as moisture continues to deepen across the region. Highs today, low to mid 50s in a lot of the Piedmont zones, 60 in Columbia. Now, we have a cold air damming setup in place tomorrow, so we'll have some northeasterly winds keeping things pretty cool as that warm front tries to slowly lift northward. Foothills and Piedmont stay in the wedge tomorrow, so it'll be a pretty cool day. Some rain at times Saturday. And then as we get into tomorrow night, that warm front lifts through, so temperatures will climb across the region as Saturday night unfolds. In fact, a lot of us by daybreak Sunday could be up in the 60s after spending tomorrow largely in the 40s. There's your Saturday highs across the region. Now, as we get into Sunday, that cold front continues to work eastward, continued chances of showers, and a few thunderstorms a possibility. I'll show you the severe weather outlook in just a second. Rain totals coming down to better focus between the GFS and the European model. We have on the European model. Now, let me show you temperatures first. Here's your high Sunday. Pretty mild day across the region. Now, on the European model, 3/4 of an inch or so for the I-85 corridor. Lighter totals toward I-95. GFS, pretty similar overall. So a decent rain event here over the next several days. There's your day 3 severe weather outlook, a marginal outlook for southern North Carolina, a good chunk of South Carolina into Georgia, general thunderstorm outlook surrounding that. The severe weather threat rather limited, but a lot of dynamics in play, and it will get relatively mild Sunday, so at least a small degree of instability for the system to work with, so can't rule out 1 or 2 stronger severe storms Sunday, especially toward the coastal plain and down into central and eastern South Carolina. Now, next week, big blast of cold air is on the way. Here's the upper level chart from the European model Sunday at midnight Sunday morning. And then look at that big trough diving into the eastern part of the country. I'll show you the detailed modeling in just a second. Here are the raw surface temperatures from the European model. All right, this is Tuesday morning. And then there's Wednesday morning. Look at this brutally cold air plunging southward there through the Plain States into the Great Lakes region, and that's dropping quickly southeastward. And here we are Thursday morning. The European model drops the triad into the single digits down to 11 in Charlotte, and 20s being indicated for high temperatures Thursday. Yeah, it's a big shot of cold air. Again, the detailed modeling in just a second. Before I get into that, there's the latest ski resort area information. The weather not the greatest this weekend, but ski conditions looking pretty good. All right, on to the detailed modeling. This is Wednesday afternoon off the European model, and this is a direct discharge of some of the coldest air in the planet right into the eastern part of the central and eastern parts of the United States. That is a direct feed of really cold air. Now, these are 850 millibar temperatures off the European model Thursday morning. And so basically, this is the temperature up at 5,000 feet. And you have, and this is in Celsius now, but you have temperatures at 22 and 24 below 0 Celsius. diving into the Carolinas. And it is not just the European model. The GFS, in good agreement, there's the 60 run just in, and very similar with the 850 millibar temperatures Thursday morning. And that translates to surface temperatures. This I just threw the GFS model in there. This is Thursday morning. Sub-zero temperatures deep down into Missouri, down into Kentucky, a possibility. And then single digits being indicated for western North Carolina into the northernmost tip of South Carolina. Some single digits in the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama and North Mississippi and North Georgia. That is a big shot of cold air centered around next Thursday. As it's directly being indicated by the modeling right now, in the Piedmont zone, you're having falling temperatures being indicated through the day Wednesday, and then again, Thursday, probably looking at highs in the 20s in many Piedmont zones. This will be a big shot of cold air. Now, looking in the even longer range, this is out at hour 3:12, so this is the evening of January 14th there, 0Z on the 15th. And the GFS ensemble, this is the ensemble models. The ensemble model here, the ensemble mean, you have this ridge developing back in the western parts of North America, another trough trying to dive into the eastern part of the country. So signs of a reloading pattern there as you get toward mid-month, at least on some of the modeling. We'll keep working on those ideas as we go forward. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.